So today we'll discuss about some basic configuration for the bash terminal. If you notice in the beginning we have a 13 here and 13 minutes dash home. Basically what this first part means is that it is the username that we are using to log in to the system, and the other one is the host name, and there is another symbol, the colon and the tilde and the dollar. So how can I do it or change it in bash? I will use this command ps1 equals /u for the username, @ for the @ /h for the host name, and then I will use a dot, I will use the tilde, and then I will use a new line and the dollar, and I will close it. So what you notice now, it is the same thing as before, but it does not have any colors. We can also change the colors. There is some codes that we have to insert here, before here, and also before here and after here, so that we'll have this color, the violet color and the cyan color that is available on the other side. But that's not the point. This is how we can change the prompt in bash terminal. But the thing that we have to note is that whenever you go, let's say I get out of bash and come back, it will change. Or I can press this command, it change it back again. Another thing that we can do is we can put an alias for our work. Let's say I want to go to rc.xml, which is in a very far directory. Let's say I need to go cd.config, and then after config I have to go cd openbox, and then ls. I have this rc.xml. I need to go nano rc.xml. Is there a method that I can do so that it will be directly put inside without going cd every time? Well, actually there is. What we can do is we put an alias. We call the alias, let's say rc, and this alias equals nano. I want to open also this file, nano /tilde /.config /openbox /rc.xml, and I will close. Now this rc, whenever I press rc now, it will open for me using nano, because now in a terminal, in another terminal we can use gedit, we can use rc to open this file directly. Example, now if I press rc, it directly opened the file without going to any cd. Very neat. Control X, go out. But if I restart bash and press rc, it will tell me rc is not found. Another thing we can do is we can do a function, and the function, let's say I will put a function ff. This is a definition of a function in bash. I will put between the braces echo hello $1, and I close bracket. Oh, we did some mistake. We have to put semicolon. Finished. Now I have a function called ff, and it has a parameter, one parameter $1. This means if I say, let's say ff John, it says echo hello John. If I put hello John Doe, it will tell me hello John, because Doe is $2. So we can create a function which has 1 parameter, 2 parameter, 3 parameter, etc. But unfortunately, if I do exec bash, it will go away. Another thing we can do with the terminal is, which we did before, let me go up, is this one. I can add here an emoji if you want. Let me, if I want, I can remove everything here. I can put an emoji. Let me open a browser. This is emojipedia.org. This is all about emojis. Let me take, let's say, the Christmas tree. I copy it. Okay. And then after, I can paste it, or I can press Ctrl+Shift+V. It's the same. 2 Christmas trees. I will put also, let's say, a colon, a tilde, /n, and $. So now this one is, so this is our new prompt. And we said also, unfortunately, when you restart, it will restart again. So to cut things short, we need to understand where is these files put. How can we manipulate these files so that it will become permanent? So to use a permanent one, we need to open .bashrc. This is the file that we need to put, nano.bashrc. I open it. It has some default things. If you notice here, it specifies how PS1 can be. This /u is a present, /h. This 033 is a code for a number, for a color. And if you notice here, these are the colors that are being used. What is important for me, which I did before, is I put some aliases. So now I can put the aliases anywhere in this file. Anywhere in this file. Here there is an FF, by the way. Anyway, we can put, let's say, we can put, let's go down. So we start with changing PS1, or the prompt. We go PS1 equals, we will put the Christmas tree, PS1. We will put also colon, and we'll put only the $. Only. Okay, this is for PS1. For the other, I want to put an alias. Let us put an alias, the one that we did before. Alias equals rc equals nano tilde slash dot config slash openbox slash rc dot xml. We close. It's finished. And for the function, we put a hello function, hello between parentheses. We put the curly braces. It's very important to put a space here because sometimes it will give an error. We put echo hello. We put $1. Okay, very essential to put the semicolon. We close, and that's it. We put Ctrl+X to exit. He tell me save the modified. I say Y, yes. File name, it is bashrc. Already finished. Let me execute it. So I put exec bash. So directly it changes the prompt to this one. Ctrl+L. So it is the bash prompt. The alias, we said we put RC. So if we press RC and enter, it opened the file for us. This is the RC file for OpenBox, very big file for configuration for the OpenBox window manager. Let's get out, and there is the hello function. So we put hello John. So it says hello John. If I say hello John Doe, it will put hello John, because Doe is $2. So this is a simple function that we can use. We can go more advanced about this, but we will not consider it in this case. Another thing to note is that this .bashrc is very important not to delete it. If you delete it, you delete all the configuration. So you'll be left with the normal base that we are going to use. Example, let me move it. I will move .bashrc. Okay, I will name it another file, bashrc1. The move command, it is like renaming a file. So I am renaming .bashrc to .bashrc1. I rename it. Let me execute again. Exec bash. As you can see here, there's no more colors. So the terminal, what the bash terminal did, it searched for this .bashrc. It did not find it in the home user directory. There is a backup file which it uses. It is in the etc directory, which is etc bash.bashrc. This is the default one with no colors, with nothing. As you notice here, there is no color coding. It uses this small one with no customs, with nothing. That's why it is like this. If I want to get it back, what I have to do is move .bashrc1, move it back to bashrc. Now I have a .bashrc. If I restart the terminal with this one, I am back at the default one that I have already.